Greetings, clutter connoisseurs and chaos enthusiasts. Today we embark on a mission of epic proportions, cleaning my entire bedroom in 24 hours. Yes, you heard that right. 24 measly hours to transform this disaster zone into a haven of harmony. Is it physically possible? Mentally stable? Probably not. But hey, we're here for the thrill, the spills, and the potential for an internet-worthy breakdown. So, buckle up, because this 24-hour bedroom clean challenge is about to get messy morning madness, 0 to 6 hours. Alarm clock screeches. Birds chirp mockingly. Nope, just the coffee machine gurgling. It's go time. My bedroom resembles a post-apocalyptic sock fort, but fear not, brave adventurers. Armed with mugs of caffeine and the battle cry of declutter and conquer, I charge into the fray. Mount Washmore looms before me, a treacherous peak of mismatched socks and forgotten gym shorts. With a mighty heave, I begin the ascent, sorting warriors into laundry baskets like brave knights to their steeds. Books, those once mighty towers of knowledge, now precariously teeter like forgotten castles. One by one, I rescue them, finding their rightful homes on sturdy shelves, like knights finally claiming their rightful thrones. Every surface begs for liberation from the dust bunnies and rogue crumbs that have claimed them as their domain. I attack with righteous fury, armed with microfiber knights and soapy squires. Beneath the grime, forgotten treasures emerge. A childhood toy, a love letter from that summer fling. Best keep that one hidden. But there are dark corners too, lurking with questionable life choices, like that neon green shirt from high school, maybe best forgotten in the depths of the closet. The battle rages on, but with each banished sock and rescued book, a glimmer of hope shines through. The air clears, the floor reclaims its freedom, and a sense of triumphant joy washes over me. Yes, the war against clutter is far from over, but in this first skirmish, I have emerged victorious. And who knows, maybe under all this chaos, a haven of zen awaits. Midday meltdown, 6 to 12 hours. The clock chimes noon, not with a triumphant gong but with a mocking chuckle. My initial cleaning zeal has morphed into a sluggish, sloth-like state, fueled by equal parts coffee and existential dread. My bedroom, once a battlefield of promise, now resembles a war zone post-apocalypse. Clothes, like fallen soldiers, litter the landscape, taunting me from their laundry Everest. The dust bunnies, emboldened by my flagging spirit, gather in defiant clumps, mocking my feeble attempts at order. Motivation, once a roaring fire, now flickers like a dying candle in the wind. Each sock I fold feels like pushing a boulder uphill. Each surface I scrub a Sisyphean task. The laundry monster, that monstrous mountain of mismatched socks and forgotten gym shorts, looms over me, a silent judge of my cleaning inadequacy. Should I just call in the hazmat team? Maybe quarantine this mess and declare it a biohazard zone? But wait, a glimmer of caffeine-fueled defiance sparks in my tired eyes. No, I shall not surrender to the chaos. Another mug of coffee, thicker than a London fog, becomes my fuel. I crank up the tunes, not Mozart's concertos, but a playlist of shamelessly cheesy pop anthems. The rhythm becomes my war cry, the melody my weapon. With renewed, questionable vigor, I charge back into the fray, a one-woman whirlwind of decluttering fury. This midday meltdown may be a temporary setback, but it is not defeat. It's a reminder that even the bravest warriors need a coffee break, that even the tidiest rooms have moments of messy rebellion. So, grab another coupe, blast your guilty pleasure tunes, and remember, dear viewers, the path to a clean haven is paved with both triumph and spilled soda. Stay tuned, because the 24-hour bedroom clean challenge is about to take a hilarious and slightly desperate turn. Afternoon awakening, 12 to 18 hours. The sun, bless its soul, decides to peek through the blinds, casting a warm, judgmental light on my battlefield. Okay, maybe not judgmental, but definitely surprised. The Mount Washmore of clothes has shrunk to mere hills, conquered by the sorting warriors and folded into obedient piles. My desk, once a graveyard of abandoned dreams, now breathes with possibility. Like a phoenix rising from a coffee-fueled coma, I realize this clean living business ain't half bad. The windows, those forgotten portals to the outside world, actually sparkle. I can see birds building nests, squirrels plotting world domination, the whole shebang. Who knew clean windows could unlock such wonder? Is this what Marie Kondo was talking about all along? Maybe there's magic in this decluttering thing after all. A surge of energy, fueled by a newfound sense of accomplishment, courses through me. I'm like a tiny cleaning tornado whirling through the room, banishing dust bunnies to the netherworld and coaxing forgotten treasures, that chipped mug from grandma, or the memories, out of hiding. This 24-hour challenge, once a looming monster, now feels like a playful dance, a waltz with the broom, a tango with the mop. But amidst the newfound zen, a mischievous thought tickles my brain. Could this whole cleaning spree be, dare I say it, fun? Nah, that's crazy talk. But hey, the sun's still shining, the air smells fresh, and my socks are finally paired. Maybe, just maybe, this decluttering adventure is turning into something more than just a battle against grime. It's an awakening, a rediscovery of space and self, dare I say it again, spark of joy. Evening epiphany, 18 to 24 hours. The clock chimes midnight, not as a death knell but as a victory fanfare. 24 hours ago, this room was a chaotic jungle, a Bermuda Triangle of lost socks and forgotten dreams. Now bathed in the soft glow of a fairy-light oasis, I stand amidst a transformation so epic, it makes Marie Kondo weep tears of joy. It's not a sterile museum, mind you. There are quirks, like the slightly crooked bookshelf housing my childhood teddy bear army, and the desk adorned with more coffee mugs than a hipster cafe. But it's mine, a reflection of my messy, beautiful self. The clothes are folded like obedient soldiers. The books dance on their shelves like rediscovered friends. And even the windows sparkle with a mischievous twinkle. A weight lifts off my shoulders, lighter than the pile of laundry I conquered earlier. It's not just the physical clutter that's banished, but the mental fog it casts. This wasn't just about cleaning, it was about facing my own chaos, the inner Mount Washmore of anxieties and doubts. And guess what? I climbed it, with a mop in hand and a smile on my face. So dear clutter warriors, gather round and listen close. Your own personal Mount Washmore awaits. Grab your trash bags, crank up the tunes, and remember, the victory isn't on the spotless floor, but in the journey itself. Embrace the mess, conquer the chaos, and discover the joy of a room that reflects the beautiful, messy masterpiece that is you. So can you conquer your own bedroom mess in 24 hours? Maybe, maybe not. But the real takeaway is this: even the tiniest steps towards order can bring a sense of peace and accomplishment. So grab a trash bag, crank up the tunes, and go forth and conquer your own personal clutter Everest. You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. Remember, this journey isn't about perfection, it's about progress. And hey, if I can do it, so can you.